Hey guys, so today I'm going to share with you how to navigate the classroom guide so that you know what you're supposed to be doing each day. I know that sometimes Google Meets will glitch or not work so well, and sometimes you might miss directions. So I made these weekly guides to help you figure out what it is that we're doing in class. And you can always shoot me an email as well. But I think this will help you navigate a lot of the different parts and assignments of our class. So what you should do to see this weekly guide, so I'm going to show you how to navigate it. But first, you always want to make sure that you're going to our classroom. And I know your screen will look a little different, but you should usually see under Stream that I've posted a weekly guide. You can also find the history of our weekly guides by going to classwork. And then on the left-hand side, you can see that there are some different topics, tutorials, writer's notebooks. We want to click on weekly guides. So this says weekly guide 9/28 to 10/2. Okay, that's this week. Let's click on that. And there's a few different ways that you can scroll through. You can keep it open like this and kind of go from slide to slide. You could also choose to click present, and you can use these links to navigate all around our weekly guide. So let's say it's Friday and I really want to know what we're doing on Friday. I could click on this link and it will take me there. There's also some music that auto plays. You can pause that. Oh, look at me getting all over the place. So there is some music that will auto play and you can click to pause that music. Let me just, there we go. Okay, so let's say it's Friday. So I can always click here. There's always a little message at the top. I can click here to listen to the message. I can also click here if I want to listen to a recording about the word of the day. But there's always a description of what we're going to be doing. So the first part is the meet. It will always have our link to join and tell you the do now. The do now for these days will usually be completing the daily check-in on your writer's notebook. Learn will give you some instructions on what we're going to be doing for the first part of class. Work is what it sounds like. You will be doing some independent work on your own, and I'll usually describe what it is before you go and continue. And then you're going to be completing the weekly, you're going to reflect, and there will always be some type of thing for you to do at the end of class, usually a weekly reflection or some type of closeout question. Now, let's say that I clicked on the wrong slide. I want to go back. There is always going to be a link somewhere on the slideshow. Here it says back to main page. I'm going to click on that. So you have the different dates. You have a summary of the week. Async work means the work that you'll be doing during the asynchronous time on our schedule. That's usually in the morning and usually around 11 a.m. But if you work better at a different time, that's okay with me. So here's like the description of our asynchronous assignment. And I'll usually include some type of tutorial as well related to what we're doing this week, just like this one. And if you click on I need help, it gives you information about how to see me after school on blue days for help. Our help time is usually right after class, so you can join me at what is called Miss Boots's Win, What I Need time, and I will help you then. So I hope this has been a helpful little tutorial to know how to navigate the weekly guides. If you ever have any questions, you can always check in with me. I am here to help.